Catholic social teaching is the body of doctrine developed by the Catholic Church on matters of social justice, involving issues of justice and wealth, economics, social organization, and the role of teaching has 7 themes.
The life and dignity of the human person called to family.
Community and participation, rights and responsibilities. Option for poor and vulnerable, the dignity of work, and the rights of worker.
Solidarity and care for God's creation. The teaching is very important not only to Catholic Church but also to us. It serves as a framework for a more better and organized state, which is the world really needs now. The Church also confronts different problems in their social, economic, political, and cultural aspect as these interact with each other.
Without the Church guidance, peace in a state will be different to manage with the exception of other religions.
Social teaching of the Church is based on the belief that God has a plan for creation, a plan to build His kingdom of peace, love, and justice. It holds that God has a special place in the story for each of us, whoever we are. Our part in this plan isn't just limited to things spiritual, or things we might do on Sundays, but that it involves every aspect of our lives, from the things we pray about to how we live as a responsible global citizen. Our part in this story is a kind of vocation for the common good, a call to treat everyone as your brothers and sisters, and is something that we all share. Catholic social teaching is the tradition of papal reflection about how we live this vocation for the common good in our world. Social teaching of the Church, just like any teaching, have sources from legitimate information and facts like from textbook, and these are sacred scriptures, traditions, and natural law, as interpreted and authenticated by the magisterium or the teaching authority of the Church, and is applied to modern day experiences of the people to make it interesting and relevant to the topics from God's teaching and make use of it from everyday life. We strongly support new initiative to integrate the social teaching of the Church more fully into educational and catechetical programs and institutions. Many catechists and Catholic teachers do this every day by weaving these ideas into curricula and classrooms. They introduce their students to issue of social justice. They encourage service to those in need and reflect on the lessons learned in that service. Yet, in too many schools and classrooms, these principles are often vaguely presented. The values are unclear, the lessons are unlearned.
We support the task force clear call for new efforts to teach our social tradition and to link service and action, charity, and justice.
Catholic social teaching is a central and essential element of our faith. Its roots are in the Hebrew prophets, who announced God's special love for the poor and called God's people to a covenant of love and justice. It is a teaching founded on the life and words of Jesus Christ, who came to bring glad tidings to the poor, liberty to captives, recovery of sight to the blind, and who identified himself the least of these, the hungry, the stranger. Catholic social teaching is built on a commitment to the poor. This commitment arises from our experiences of Christ in the Eucharist.
In a world characterized by growing prosperity for some and pervasive poverty for others, Catholic teaching proclaims that a basic moral test
is how our most vulnerable members are faring. In a society marred by deepening division between rich and poor, our tradition recalls the story of the Last Judgment and instructs us to put the needs of the poor and the vulnerable first.